Ideas Day is an interactive event where kids of all ages can come and look at different science demonstrations. These demonstrations come from within LSU Health Shreveport, but also around the community. And this is where they can showcase different experiments that can make children excited to learn about science and possibly pursue STEM in the future.
Ideas Day is sponsored by Science Matters, which is a club at LSU Health. And then this event this year, for the first time ever actually, we partnered with the Chemistry Club here at LSUS. You know, we have a deficit of people going into the science fields later in life, and we read that, you know, if you involve kids before the age of about 12, they're more likely to go into the fields of science. And so we took that as our mission.
We're doing stuff with the brain and neuroscience and how do you smell. We're doing stuff with cornstarch and water, which is a non-newtonian fluid. It's a solid when you put velocity on it, and it's a liquid when you just stand there. So it's like kind of like you can walk on water. Super cool. We're working with paper airplanes and aerodynamics. We have some Play-Doh in the cores of the Earth. We have some binary bracelets, like computers and binary, and many other cool things with like liquid nitrogen, and we're turning a penny from bronze to silver to gold.
The diaphragm, which is the muscle right here, and then this other balloon is your lung, and this is your chest wall, and then when we breathe in, we move our muscle, and air goes in through the mouth and the nose. And then when we breathe out, it goes out.
It's a great science fair to get kids involved in science and STEM.